friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen pizza sticks in the air fryer. So here I have a box of frozen pizza sticks. No need to defrost. Air fryer cooks it straight from frozen. So let's open up the package of pizza sticks. And I will take out the air fryer basket and remove the pizza sticks from their packaging. And let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 11 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at these pizza sticks. They look amazing, so nicely browned and perfectly cooked. If you never cooked them in the air fryer before, I do recommend you cut one. Just make sure it's not cold inside. And if it's not fully cooked, you can always put it back in the air fryer and cook for another few minutes. But I know that mine are totally cooked. So let's take them out. Perfect. And now let's try them. They're super hot. Kind of hard to handle them, but they're pizza sticks, so you're supposed to break it in the middle to make 2 sticks out of each one. So see how the cheese is so gooey and melted inside. The filling is perfectly heated and the crust is so crispy. Perfect. They're just so hot, it's kind of hard to hold them. That's why I put it back on the plate. Now let's try it. I'm so excited about trying it. I love pizza sticks. So delicious. They taste amazing. Perfectly crispy crust and gooey melted cheese with a hot filling. These are so good. You will love them. Making them in the air fryer is so much better than a microwave. Microwave keeps them soggy, while the air fryer makes them crispy. Pizza sticks with a crispy crust. You will love them. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!